Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in Fewer Than Two. The Apple headset. We really don't know what it's called yet. This new reality, as opposed to the reality distortion field that has orbited Apple for, ever. So why might I not get the headset? Because I've already talked about why I might get the headset, but I might not get it because I'm not sure I could recoup the expense. It's going to be expensive, no doubt about that. I don't think that's a surprise to anybody. Number one, it's an Apple product. Number two, it's a new cutting-edge, bleeding-edge, disruptive type of product. So it's going to be very, very expensive. Normally, I would create content and then offset the cost through, let's say, sponsorship or advertising or membership support, whatever. But I don't know if I'm going to be able to recoup that much, especially if it's going to run thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. So that would be a concern. Plus, it could be cumbersome. Like on my, I've got an average, I don't know what is an average head. I don't know how big it's going to be. Don't know how small it's going to be. I don't know how it's going to fit. Is it going to be comfortable? Is it going to be bulky? How's it going to work with me wearing glasses all the time? Would I need to wear glasses? Could I wear the headset without the glasses? How's it going to work? So I don't really know. And I don't know if I'll know unless I get it. So it's, again, a concern. The third thing that's got me a little, not rethinking getting the headset, because I'm still leaning into getting one, but the third reason might be that it's a flash in the pan. Maybe Apple's doing this moonshot and nobody really wanted it. So that's the question. Do you really want it?